Program number 12. Write a program to obtain side of a square and calculate its area and perimeter. Obtain side of a square means take input as a side and find out area and perimeter of a square. So first you will take input as a side. You can take another variable also. Then int input. Why we are writing int input? Because input by default string data type, so that's why this string we have to convert it as an integer value or float value. Why? Because area and perimeter, whenever you will put it the formula, it will take as a arithmetic operator. So for arithmetic operator we require integer value or float value. So I will give here some heading. Without heading also it is possible to take as an input. I am writing here enter side of a square. Then close the parenthesis, close the parenthesis. Two parentheses open, two parentheses you should close. Now I have taken as an input side. Only one input has given. So now we have to find out the area and perimeter. So what is the areas of square formula? That is side into side. So whatever variable you will take here, same variable you will call. I have taken side, so that's why I am taking side into side. Now perimeter formula 4 into side. See, first in the question has given first calculated area, so that's why first areas formula I have written, then perimeters formula. You can interchange also. First you can call perimeter also, then area also, but whenever you will call print command, according to the questions you have to print it. So first calculated is area and perimeter, so that's why in the print command I will call first area. So give some heading, area of a square equal to outside of the quotation comma, then put it the variable area. Done. Now one more print command, because two formula has given. Print give some heading, perimeter of a square equal to comma peri. Done. Now call as a run command. Enter side of a square. Suppose I have given 5. Press the enter key. So area per square came 25, then perimeter per square came 20. Now I just interchange. Which one? Print this perimeter. I told that perimeter, what you will do, cut it, and before you should write it. Okay, so now what happened, I have interchanges. Perimeter formula I have written first, areas formula I have written second, but which formula I called in the print command first, that one only will print first. Now see, I have called area first, then perimeter. Again, suppose 6 I have given. See, so first area came, then perimeter came. So now you have seen that. So formula you can interchange also, not necessary you have to write as a sequence, but print command you call according to the questions. Okay, now we will see if I will not write anything. Okay, but int input, then afterwards parenthesis, this one is required. Now run it. Came, cursor is here, so now you should write 5, press the enter key. See, came the answer. Now if you have to remove int, int you removed and then parenthesis 1. Now see. If I write 5, see what is given? Type error. Can't multiply sequence by non-int of type string. What is the error has given? Type error. Why? See. Input. So input command by default string data type. So this string we cannot use it in the arithmetic operator. Okay, so that's why this input command we are converting as a int or float also.